Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy English Lessons. I'm very happy you are here today. This is your friendly English learning podcast.
Hello, friends. I am happy to learn English with you today.
Today's topic is very useful. We will learn asking for directions. This helps you when you are in a new place. You can ask people where things are.
Yes, this is very important in daily life.
Imagine this. You are in a new city. You want to find a bus stop. You feel a little lost.
Oh yes, that can be scary.
Do not worry. After this lesson, you will feel confident. You will ask for directions in simple English. Let's begin. First, we learn some location words. These words help you understand directions. Listen carefully. Repeat later. The first word is left. Left means this side, not right.
Left.
The next word is right. Right means the other side.
Right.
Good. The next word is straight. Straight means do not turn, go forward.
Straight.
Very good. The next word is near. Near means not far.
Near.
The next word is far. Far means not near, a long distance.
Far.
Excellent. The next word is next to. Next to means very close, side by side.
Next to.
Good job. The next word is across from. Across from means on the other side.
Across from.
Nice work. The last word is on the corner. On the corner means where two streets meet.
On the corner.
Great. Now you know important location words. Next, we listen to a daily conversation. This is a real-life situation. Listen carefully.
Okay, I am ready.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Where is the supermarket?
The supermarket is near here.
Thank you. How do I get there?
Go straight, turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the corner.
Yes, the supermarket is next to the bank.
Is it far?
No, it is very near.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Great listening. Now we practice together. This is repeat after me practice. Please repeat each sentence clearly. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Where is the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop?
Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the corner.
It is next to the school.
It is next to the school.
It is across from the park.
It is across from the park.
Is it far?
Is it far?
No, it is near.
No, it is near.
Excellent work. You are doing great. Now, a listening tip for you. When you ask for directions, listen for key words.
Words like left and right.
Yes, listen for left, right, straight, and near. These words help you understand fast.
And do not be afraid to ask again.
Very good advice. You can say, "Can you repeat, please?"
People are usually kind and helpful.
That is true. Now we come to the end of today's lesson. You learned how to ask for directions. You learned simple location words.
You did a great job today.
Keep practicing every day. Speak slowly. Be confident.
Making mistakes is okay.
Yes, mistakes help you learn. Thank you for listening to Easy English Lessons.
See you next time.
Keep learning. Keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone.